So let's take a look now at example 3. So one thing I want to point out is the parallel lines. Those double arrows mean that line HL is parallel to line JK. So in this picture, also notice how you've got vertical angles. And so we remember from our vocabulary words that vertical angles are always going to be congruent. So let's start with our parallel lines. So when it comes to parallel lines, it's always better if you extend your picture. So notice how I'm extending my parallel lines, and then also I'm going to extend my transversal. What that allows is it allows me to see those congruent angles. So since I've done that, notice how this angle right here is going to be congruent to this angle right here. Angle H is congruent to angle K because we have alternate interior angles. I actually had to reorient my head so that I could see that. So if you have to, turn your paper around. And do you see the alternate interior angles there? Okay, so then now we said vertical angles a second ago. So angle HIL is congruent to angle KIJ because of vertical angles. Vertical angles are congruent. And so then now I have enough probably with my angles that are marked to make my triangle congruency statement. So triangle HIL is congruent to triangle, so H maps to K, I maps to I, and J is going to match to L. So triangle HIL is congruent to triangle KIJ. So let's see how you did in it, or how you can do in example 4. So example 4 is your you try.